The other type of error we're going to talk about is parallel structure. So in this case, we want everything that we say to be structured the same way. So we never want to mix up forms, so we only use the same part of speech. So if it starts with an adjective, then make sure everything else starts with an adjective. And also make all parts of the sentence look and sound the same or repetitive. So if we look at number 1 here, Mary likes hiking, swimming, and to bicycle. I would say Mary likes hiking, swimming, and bicycling. The production writer was asked to write the report quickly, accurately, in a detailed manner. I probably would say I was asked to write a quick, accurate, and detailed report. For number 3, teacher said that he was a poor student because he waited until the last minute to study for the exam. Includes lab problems in a careless manner. And I would probably say and had low motivation. Number 4, my degree, my work experience, and ability. I would probably write like that. My degree, my work experience, and my ability. And then finally for number 5, we found the film repulsive, offensive, and embarrassing. Saying we thought it was, that just loses the parallel structure. So you want everything sounding the same way. So if we look at the problems on page 4.9, and you could see these in both improving sentence and identifying error format, but you probably see these more often in improving sentence format. With parallel structure. So look at number 1. The newspaper aimed to provide coverage of current events and maintain neutrality. Aimed to provide and to maintain. So you see how D works well for us there. A good translator has to be able to understand the subtleties of language as well as remaining faithful to the tone. So to be able to understand and to remain faithful. So go C on that one. For number 3, proponents of new hormone therapy advocate early intervention, frequent checkups, and compliance. Notice how they all use nouns. Advocate early intervention, frequent checkups, and compliance. So we see there. Pole horses, which are usually 60 to 64 inches in height and 850 to 2,000 pounds in weight. Notice how they say in height, in weight, and they say some number to some number, some number to some number. In that case, it's going to be A. Everything's fine there because it has the parallel structure. Okay, so I think that, oh, one more, number 5. He went to the meeting eager to explain his point of view, both some fear of public speaking. To explain his point of view, but afraid to speak in public. So I'll go B on that one. And for grammar review number 2, I think the best that we do this as a class, because this now has a mixture of some of the earlier errors, subject, verb, agreement, fragments, in addition to new stuff we just talked about, the logical comparison, parallel structure. So that's why I kind of call this a scaffolding process. If you think about what scaffolding is when you're building something, you have like all that exterior stuff to help raise the building. So we're taking kind of a building up approach here. So I think it's better that we do this as a class when we see each other again. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you later.